Do you have to cut them up?
Yeah, each little piece to make a square to fit the mural.
So it's gonna be right in the middle, right there.
Yep, right there in the middle. And so I get my measurement, which is 30 and a half by 46. And then I lay my mural out on a flat surface and lay it out and mark it all and then cut it, pre-cut it. That way I know it fits in the level and mark it. And then pull a measurement from the bottom to the top. That's 46 inches. Yeah. And then I'll cut this straight with a level and pull a measurement from here to there for 36 and a half. And the good thing to do is to raise the blade up and then get your tile where you need it and just go down it to make sure it's cutting exactly what you need. On this, yes, on this edge, because it's not attached to the sheets.
Yeah.
Before I stick it. So we'll have 14 and 16 3/4. And if you look right where I'm marking, you can see there's a screw hole where the mixing valve is. And that's you can't cover them up because your beauty plate goes over it. So you need to leave those holes exposed. And then the hole saw bit cool with water, it'll burn the blade up.
Can you cut it with anything else?
No, this is glass and tile cutter. Hole saw bit.
And you gotta make sure the small holes, they don't get filled up, right?
Yes, for the shower head.
Is that the loose tile?
Well, yeah, it moves, so I want to manipulate it, make it go tighter to the pencil.